Welcome to ACU Web Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will help you on how to change the default index type for a domain or website from Plesk Panel. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel ACU Web Hosting. Let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you need to log in into your Plesk control panel. Here, we have login into our Plesk control panel. While creating this video, we have Plesk Obsidian version. Go to the upper left side of the screen and click on the Websites and Domains option. Once you click on it, you will see all the domains, websites, and subdomains that you have created under Websites and Domains. Select the domain name or website on which you want to change the default index type. Here, we have selected acuwebtraining.com as an example. Search for virtual directories and click on it. You will get a window with the name virtual directory once you click on it. Click on the Virtual Directories tab. After then go to the directory properties and click on it. By clicking on it, a new window will be opened with the name Virtual Directory Properties. After then go to the Documents section. Here, you can see a different index type or default document. You can select the index type which you want to set as default for your website or domain name and move it up with the help of Up button. For example, here, we have to set index.php file as a default document, then we need to select index.php file and click on the Up button to move up. You need to put index.php file at the top of the field. You can also create a new index type or default document for your website. For that, you need to type the new index type in the field such as new homepage.aspx. And click on the Add button to add it. You can see that the new index type is successfully added in the index type list. After then, click on the OK button to save the changes. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to change the default index type for a domain or website from Plesk Panel. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel ACU Web Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.